redneck snack or laugh is too short to be serious. Alright, so I already did a Andy's review. We're doing back-to-back reviews, but obviously I can't upload everything back-to-back. And I'm excited to talk about this one. This is the Blackberry Waffle Jackhammer. It's got blackberries and waffle cone mixed into their signature vanilla custard. So again, this is from Andy's. It's a frozen custard chain. Not quite every corner of the United States yet. You know, closest to me is Charlotte. Again, shout out to Dad Bod Snacks for just reminding me this exists. And it's a place that I really should try every now and then. I take a trip to Charlotte to do some things, just try things out. And they're here, so why not just do that too, you know? So anyways, it looks pretty. It's back here, but we're going to show it off from the front because we got to show that logo, baby. So, please go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, and share the video. And check out my Instagram, Redneck Snack. We're going to keep this short and simple. I don't know what I think on this one. Like, I like it. I think it's pretty good. Let me get a blackberry here. You know what I like it more than, though? I like it more than the new Blackberry Mountain Dew. Of course, part of that is the fact that it's natural, fresh blackberries. As compared to artificial flavoring. This is quite possibly the most I've enjoyed blackberries ever. Eating them straight up doesn't quite cut it. Maybe it's because of the tartness and the sourness of it. But with custard, oh, it's pretty good. Now, I just had the All-star Jackhammer with that chocolate, peanut butter, Oreo pieces, all kinds of good stuff. And I will say I enjoyed that one a bit more. This is still really good. It's refreshing. The nice crunch of the waffle cone pieces, the soft melt in your mouth blackberries. It all comes together really nicely. Almost like a blackberry cobbler per se. If it was more chilled. But it's a good, it's a really good concrete per se. They call it jackhammer. But I like it. I think it's very delicious. And this isn't new. But I think it's seasonal. So I would definitely, if you got a Andy's near, you might want to check it out sooner than later. But I think it's really good. Like, honestly, it's not far behind the other jackhammer I had. It's just I probably prefer chocolate. So what I would say, this is definitely worthy of a 7.5. I think the one issue you'll come up with is that, you know, the deeper you go, unless you mix it all in together yourself, you know, the less you're going to get with the fillings. But what's really cool about this one, it kind of all seeped down as I was eating. So that's really cool that the flavor is going to seep down in there. But yeah, I definitely recommend Andy's if you have one. If you don't, well, maybe you'll run into one when you go on a vacation. I don't know. But other than that, that is my review. I'm sticking to it, and I will see y'all around. Yay!